Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11X, and today I will show you how you can enable developer options in the smartphone. You have to open the settings. Next you have to go for the About Phone section, and when we are here, we have to find Emotion UI version and click on it a few times. As you can see, we are one step away, and right now we are in the developer mode, so you have to simply tap on it, just like that. When you go back, right now we have to find the developer options and they will appear on the additional settings. As you can see, it's here, so enter, and right now we can set up whatever we want. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.